Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your folder can't be shared in Windows 10. First method is, right-click shared folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Permissions. Select Everyone. Check All Allow. Click Apply, OK. Click Apply, OK. Second method is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Expand all networks. Check Turn off Password Protected Sharing. Click Save Changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.